Good evening, dear viewers. Welcome to all of you to my channel Teach for Joy. Today, I have chosen a problem of vectors. The problem is V equal to 2I plus j minus k and W vector equal to also W vector. These are vectors. W vectors equal to I plus 3k. If u is a unit vector, u is an arbitrary unit vector, then we have to find out the value of their box product, that is box product is UWV. UWV is to be maximized. Now, let us start the solution. Here let us choose u equal to xi plus yj plus zk. U is an arbitrary unit vector. Also, the magnitude of this vector is 1, that is root over of x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, and also x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1. We have to find out the maximum value of their box product, that is box product UWV. Now, it is easy for us to solve this problem if we apply the Lagrange method of multiplier for maximizing this function, that is UWV, the box product of three vectors UWV. Now, here box product UWV if we expand this box product, we get UWV equal to U vector dot product W cross product of W and V, cross product of W and V. This is the expanded form of the box product, that is box product UWV equal to U dot W cross V. Now, we have chosen U as xi plus yj plus zk. We can put this value, that is value of U. We get xi yj zk dot W, W equal to I cap plus 3k cap cross V, V equal to 2 I cap plus j cap minus k cap. This here ijk are I cap, j cap and 3 k cap are three unit vectors along three perpendicular axes x, y, z respectively. Here at first we taking the cross product of two vectors W and V. W and V. IJK 1 0 3 2 1 minus 1. This is the determinant value xi yj zk dot I cap minus 3 plus j cap 6 6 plus 1 plus k cap 1 equal to xi yj zk dot minus 3i plus 7j plus k cap k. Now we take the dot product. Taking dot product, we get minus 3x plus 7y plus z. This is the value of the box product UWV. UWV are three vectors. Here U is an arbitrary unit vectors. So the box product of three vectors is got as minus 3x plus 7y plus z. Now box product U W V equal to, we have got the value as minus 3x plus 7y plus z. This is the value of the box product UWV. This is the value of the box product UWV. This is the function of three variables. We can choose this function as f x y z. F x y z equal to minus 3x plus 7y plus z. And here we have also got x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1, because u is an arbitrary unit vector. So its magnitude is 1. From the magnitude we have got x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1. Also x square plus y square plus z square minus 1 can be chosen as phi x y z, function of three variable phi x y z. Now we use the Lagrange method of multiplier to maximize this function, that is UWV, that is f x y z. Here to maximize this functions f x y z, we take df equal to 0, because at maxima and or minima, derivative of the objective function, this is the objective function, this is the objective function, so its derivative will be 0 at at maxima or minima. At maxima or minima, the derivative of the objective function is 0, that is df equal to 0, total differentiation equal to 0, and also d phi equal to 0, because d phi equal to phi equal to 0, because x square plus y square plus y square plus z square minus 1 equal to 0. This is function of x y z, phi x y z. So its derivative is obviously 0. So d phi equal to 0. Now use the Lagrange multiplier. Lambda is a parameter which is called Lagrange multiplier. So we can write df plus lambda d phi equal to 0, because df and d phi are both 0. So this combination must be 0, that is df plus lambda d phi equal to 0. Now, df is the total differentiation of f, so we can write df equal to del f del x dx del f del y dy del f del z dz, and also d phi is also the total differentiation of phi, so we can write del phi del x dx del phi del y dy del phi del z dz equal to 0. If we rearrange this term, we get del f del x plus lambda del phi del y into del phi del x dx plus del f del y plus lambda del phi del y dy plus del f del z lambda del phi del z equal to 0. So, this is the linear combination of dx, dy, dz and also dz. Linearly independent, dx, dy, dz are linearly independent. So, del f del x plus lambda del phi del y equal to 0 equal to del f del y plus lambda del phi del y equal to del f del z plus lambda del phi del z. These three terms are equal to 0. This is because the dx dy dz three differential of x y z, which are dx dy dz are linearly independent. So, their coefficient all are 0, all of the coefficient are 0. So, we get this del f del x plus lambda del phi del y equal to del f del y plus lambda del phi del y plus equal to del f del z plus lambda del phi del z equal to 0, all are 0, because this is dx dy dz are linearly independent. So, here we have f function of x y z, that is f equal to 3 minus 3x plus 7y plus z, and also here phi x y z equal to x square plus y square plus z square minus 1 equal to 0. So, del f del x equal to minus 3 plus lambda del phi del y equal to del phi del y del phi del x equal to 2x. So, lambda into 2x equal to 0 equal to del f del y, that is 7 plus lambda into 2y equal to del f del z, that is 1 plus lambda into 2z, lambda into 2z, that is lambda equal to 3 over 2x equal to minus 7 over 2y equal to minus 1 over 2z. So, x equal to 2 lambda over 3 x equal to 3 over 2 lambda, y equal to minus 7 over 2 lambda, z equal to minus 1 over 2 lambda. Now, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1. Magnitude of the unit vector is 1. So, x square plus y square plus z square equal to 1. If we put the values of x, y, z in this equation, we get 9 over 4 lambda square plus 49 over 4 lambda square plus 1 over 4 lambda square equal to 1. So, So, 59 over 4 lambda square equal to 1. So, lambda square equal to 59 over 4, that is lambda equal to plus minus 59 over 2. Now, we have to find out the value of value of the three variables x, y, z at lambda equal to plus minus root 59 over 2. We get two sets of value of x, y, z. One set is for the positive value of lambda, and other set is for the negative value of lambda. First set is x equal to, for positive value of lambda, x equal to 3 over 2 into root 59 over 2 equal to 3 over root 59, z y equal to, also y equal to minus 7 over 2 root 59 over 2 equal to minus 7 over root 59, z equal to minus 1 over root 59. And other set is x equal to, for negative value of lambda, other set of value is 3 minus 3 root over root 59, y equal to 7 over root 59, z equal to 1 over root 59. Now, we have to find out the maximum value of UWV. UWV is to be maximized, that is UWV means f, that is function of x, y, z, which is minus 3x plus 7y plus z. This is the value of the box product UWV. We have to maximize f. So, at the value of x, y, z, first set of value, for the first set of values of x, y, z, x equal to 3 over root 59, y equal to minus 7 over root 59, z equal to minus over 59, function of x, y, z, that is, this is the function of x, y, z, function of x, y, z equal to equal to this. We have 3x, that is 9 over minus 9 over root 59 minus 49 over root 59 minus 1 over root 59, that is minus root 59. And for the other set of values, the value of function xyz, f xyz at x equal to minus 3 over root 59, y equal to 7 over root 59, z equal to 1 over root 59 equal to at equal to 9 over root 59, 49 over root 59 and 1 over root 59, which is root 59. Now we have got two values of a function of xyz. One is minus root 59 and other is plus root 59. Obviously plus root 59 is greater than minus root 59. So this is the maximum value of function of xyz. So f max, that is function of xyz max equal to root 59. This is the maximum value of the box product UWV. So we have got the maximum value of UWV. So the required maximum value of required required maximum value, so the required maximum value of UVW, these are three vectors, this is the dot box product of three vectors UWV, which is to be maximized, the maximum value of this box product, that is UWV is root 59. Thus we have derived the maximum value of the box product UWV. This is the box product of UWV, that is U is arbitrary unit vector and WV are two given vectors. We have find out the maximum value of the box product of three vectors UWV. Thanks so much for watching my video. See you next.